In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a GoDaddy online store in 2025. Whether you're dreaming of launching an e-commerce business or expanding your current one, setting up an online store with GoDaddy is an excellent choice. It's user-friendly and provides a range of tools for customization. Now let's dive right into the process and get your store up and running. First things first, go to GoDaddy's website. This is your starting point for creating an account and building your online presence. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in at the top of the page. Click on this link. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process, requiring only some basic information like your email and a password. After signing in, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. Here, look for the option that says, "Plus set up a free website," and click on it. This will guide you to the next step where you can start building your store. GoDaddy provides various templates designed to suit different types of businesses. For an online store, choose the template labeled "Sell with an Online Store." These templates are pre-designed to showcase products effectively and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. With the template selected, you'll notice a button saying "Continue." Click on it and you'll be prompted to input some details about your business. It will ask you what kind of business do you have. It's essential to type in an accurate description as it helps GoDaddy offer the best features and functionalities tailored to your business needs. Once you've typed in the description, you'll need to select an appropriate category for your business. This ensures that your store has the right layout and tools to attract customers within your target market. Don't worry if you're unsure of the best category. You can always change this later as you gain more clarity. Click Continue again to move forward. Now, give your store a name. This is crucial because it represents your brand, so take some time to think of a name that truly reflects what your business is about. Once you've entered your store's name, click Continue. The following steps might involve adding additional information about your business, but if you're in a hurry, you can always choose to skip them. Alternatively, take a moment to fill these out to enhance your store's credibility and customer trust. Now comes the exciting part, customizing your website. You'll be able to add store pages, include products, and set up the design to your liking. GoDaddy's tools are intuitive, making it easy even for beginners to create a visually appealing, functional store. Finally, you'll need to configure payment and shipping options. This ensures you're ready to handle transactions and deliver products to your customers. Once everything looks good, click on Preview and Publish. This step lets you see a final draft of your store live online, ready for customers to visit. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional GoDaddy online store up and running in no time. Remember, e-commerce is all about trial, error, and constant learning. So feel free to revisit and make changes as you understand your audience better. Good luck with your exciting new online venture.